Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your glutton Matt having some Pizza Hut today. I went and picked up their triple treat box, and with it I got their meat lovers pizza, chicken barbecue pizza, breadsticks, honey barbecue boneless bites, and then for dessert, some Cinnabon Mini Rolls. I don't actually have any room for those on the table, so I'm just gonna set them down over here. But this is a lot of food. I'm not even sure I'm gonna be able to finish this all. But let's start off with the meat lovers pizza, because that's actually my favorite kind of pizza right there. And probably my favorite pizza from Pizza Hut. I love me some meat lovers. Oh, just lost a piece. That's so good. Oh, it all came off the top. I love their meat lovers pizza so much. Oh my god, that's good. Some of their boneless bites. I've never had boneless bites or wings from Pizza Hut before. This will be a first for me. It's decent. Definitely don't go skimpy with the sauce. Like I said, this is a lot of food, but for the price, you really can't beat this deal. It was like 35 bucks Canadian. I'm not sure what that is like in American, probably less than $30, but it's a lot better price than paying for anything individually off their menu for sure. The breadstick right there. Let's get into their barbecue chicken. This is another one I really like from them. I have some barbecue sauce around here somewhere. Oh, here we go. Some KFC barbecue sauce from my other video left over. Use that to dip my pizza. Try dipping the barbecue chicken in there. There we go. That is good. I have some leftover McDonald's barbecue sauce too. So let's use up all these guys. Oh. Definitely like the KFC barbecue sauce a lot more. McDonald's is just so sweet. Okay. I was actually supposed to do a Pizza Hut video a long time ago. I planned on doing one for Halloween. That was going to be my Halloween special. Because it's like a tradition in my family to have pizza every Halloween. Like when we were kids before we would go trick-or-treating and stuff. So that was going to be my Halloween special. But then I ended up doing like the Daibok ghost pepper noodles. Just to sort of keeping with the theme of Halloween. So I never ended up doing my Pizza Hut video. So it's been a long time since I've had Pizza Hut. Oh, I spilled my pop. And I got it all in my sauce. Okay, actually, here we go. There we go. It's still good. It's still good. There we go. Disaster averted. That's the first time I spilled a drink on video. Would you look at that? Okay. That was a lot worse, or a lot less worse than it could have been though. I would have hated to have to stop the whole video just to clean up. That would have sucked. I actually watch some of those videos on YouTube when mukbangs go wrong. I just like wonder how it feels to like put in all that effort for a video and like eat so much food and then like the video kind of like just turns out crappy or something. I would just hate it. And especially if you've already been like filming for a while. Like say like I ate like half of all this and then all of a sudden something happens that just sort of ruins the entire video and it's like I paid that much money, ate all that food for nothing. Or you find out you weren't even recording, you didn't even hit the record button on the camera or something. Okay. I actually wanted to get the stuffed crust with the meat lovers, but when I went to order it, stuffed crust wasn't an option. And I thought stuffed crust was like available all the time with Pizza Hut, but I guess apparently not. You can't get stuffed crust right now. And I thought that was really weird. I was like, well, excuse me. I can't get stuffed crust. Oh my god. Ooh, I think I can only eat one more slice of pizza. Holy, that's a lot of food. Yeah, what is? I'm just not feeling it tonight. Not as hungry as I usually am. I'll have some of these Cinnabons though. just to top it off, have a bit of dessert. So yeah, because these look real good. Ooh. Those are really nice. And it's so soft. But I'm full. Oh my gosh. I knew, like I was pretty certain I wasn't gonna be able to finish all that. I pretty much just bought it just for the sake of the cost alone. Like I said, it was $35 for all that. So it was pretty much a steal. Like, I think because if I was going to order everything individually, like a single pizza with like some breadsticks and some chicken wings or something, it would have almost came to the same price. So I was like, why not buy it anyway, even if I'm not going to finish it all. But yeah, I don't even think I'll be able to get a burp off tonight. I'm not going to be able to finish that for sure. I guess it'll just be supper for another night. That's too bad though. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you aren't. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace out.